ये फोटो देखो, ये मैं थी कुछ साल पहले. I had flat stomach, those 11 lines and almost abs visible. And then I had my son, life happened and I lost it. But here's what I know. I know exactly how I got there and I'm doing it all over again right now, week by week. These are 5 exercises I'm starting with, so come with me. लेकिन शुरू करने से पहले मैं एक बात क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि abs are made in the kitchen. सॉरी नॉट सॉरी, बट मैं वो बात से एग्री नहीं करती हूँ. जैसे आप जिम जाते हो, आप कोई भी मसल ग्रुप पे वर्क करते हो और आपके मसल ग्रुप की ग्रोथ होती है, सेम गोज फॉर योर कोर. दोज आर टाइनी मसल्स जिनको आप वर्कआउट करोगे और वो साइज में बड़े होंगे, लेकिन वो रिवील तब तक नहीं होंगे जब तक आप अपना फैट लॉस नहीं कर लेते हो. सो ईटिंग डज मैटर, डाइट मैटर्स अ लॉट. I always say that abs are built in the gym but are revealed in the kitchen. And that's very important to understand. आप मसल ग्रुप को जिम में बड़ा करो, उसको बिल्ड करो, उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाओ. And then once you eat a proper diet, you'll have much more definition of your stomach, abs or particularly any muscle group. So let's get started with the first exercise. Is my favorite exercise. It's called रोप पुल डाउन क्रंच. उसको आप केबल रोप क्रंच भी बोल सकते हो. ये एक्सरसाइज मैं एटलीस्ट थ्राइज अ वीक ज़रूर करती हूँ because it is one of the exercise where you can load your abs and you can really push hard, and I'm going to show you and explain you exactly how. So you need to get on your knees a little away from the machine. Place the rope against either your forehead or next to your temples, and your lower body will be in a fixed position. Lower body को नहीं हिलाना है. It's just from your hips up, your upper body will only move. So place it here, and then it's a very small and strong movement, controlled movement. Bring your elbows to the ground near to your knees, and then you come up. Again, crunch. Your head and your back should be in a straight line, and then crunch. You shouldn't roll your back all the way. It should be still stable, and you crunch. And then breathe out when you're coming down and breathe in when you're going up. Breathe out. You should feel a lot of burn around the midsection and upper core. This is basically for your upper core, and this is one of my favorite exercises. So please focus. इस exercise में आपकी back के ऊपर कोई strain नहीं आना चाहिए. It should be purely working your core muscles. We will do 15 reps, 3 sets of this one. The next exercise that we are going to focus on is lower abs. Basically this area. बहुत सी ladies after having a baby complain करती हैं कि मम्मी पाउच बन गया है, जा नहीं रहा है. That is a fat deposit. लेकिन उस चीज़ को टाइट करने के लिए और स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए आपको lower abs पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा. Even girls these days, they have a very flat stomach, and then they'll have the lower area is little more bulgy. So try doing this exercise. Exercise that we are going to focus on is leg raises. अगर आप beginner हो तो आपको मैं recommend करूँगी कि आप यहाँ से शुरू करो. But if you are already advanced and been working out from years, you can hang and then you can do leg raises. Now how to do it, I'm going to explain in detail. Starting from this position, your pelvic slightly tilted forward. Raise your legs and slowly bring it down. If you're doing this, there is no point. You're wasting your time. Whenever you're performing any exercise, no matter it's for your core, it's for your legs, the more control and the more slower you do it, the more beneficial it is for the muscle growth. So bring up, breathe out, breathe in. Bring it up and slowly bring it down. Breathe out. Breathe in. I want your entire back to be against the support. Don't have this curve in the back. It should be completely touching the support. So that's the reason I asked you कि आपकी pelvic में हल्का सा tilt होना चाहिए, so that your back is completely against the support pad, and then you lift. Again, we will be doing 15 reps and 3 sets of this exercise. The next exercise that we are moving into is called cable wood choppers. These work on your obliques. तो वो जो side में 11 lines आती हैं, this is exercise for that. I want you to set your machine to your elbow height, and when it's 90 degrees, it's straight aligned. Now step away and controlled twist, rotate your body entirely towards right and controlled bring back. Breathe out and slowly breathe in. Breathe out, slowly breathe in. You will feel the burn on your right side because we are pulling it towards our right side. So when you're doing this movement, your legs are stable, your arms are stiff and straight and stable, nothing is moving. It's only that you're twisting from your obliques. As you can see, no other part other than my torso is rotating. Once you have done 10 reps on one side, we will turn and we will do 10 reps on the other side. Stiff arms, stable lower body, twist. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And this time, you'll feel the burn in your left oblique because we are twisting towards our left side. 10 reps, each side, 3 sets, good to go. Fourth exercise, again we will be targeting our lower abs because honestly ये area बहुत ज़्यादा ignore करते हैं, तो इस पे I personally put more effort on my lower abs rather than my upper abs. And this is a reverse crunch. ये हम दो type में कर सकते हैं and I'm going to show you both the variations. So if you're a beginner, you can literally put your hands right next to your hips and start with this slow movement where you're pushing your legs into the sky using, you can see I'm using only my core. Once you're comfortable with this, you can hold on to the support for more stability and then go straight up in the sky like this and slowly come back, tap, tap. It's all a controlled movement. You exhale when you go up and inhale when you come down. Exhale, inhale. Try doing 10 reps and 3 sets for this. And before I move on to the last exercise, मुझे एक heart to heart बात करनी है. Problem क्या है? Subscribe क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो तुम लोग channel को? I put so much effort to bring such content to you and it's not easy. And एक support मैं मांगती हूँ कि like करो, comment करो और subscribe करो यार, इतना तो कर ही सकते हो. So go subscribe to my channel. And now we are moving on to our fifth exercise and the last one is a plank. सुनने में बहुत ही easy लगता है but it is a very important exercise and I'm going to give you 2 reasons why. एक तो ये आपको सिखाता है कि आपको अपना कोर की मसल्स हैं जो इंगेज कैसे करने हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू दैट, आप कोई भी एब एक्सरसाइज कर लो, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं आएगा अगर आपको ये नहीं मालूम कि आपको अपने कोर के मसल्स इंगेज कैसे करने हैं. नंबर 2, इफ़ योर कोर इज़ नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, देर आर वेरी हाई चांसेस कि आप अपना लोअर बैक पे स्ट्रेन डाल रहे हो या इंजरी का रिस्क इंक्रीज कर रहे हो. चाहे आप डेडलिफ्ट करो, स्क्वाट करो, डेली लाइफ करो, आपकी लोअर बैक के ऊपर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन आएगा अगर आपकी कोर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है. So this also shows you how to control your core. So let's quickly get into planks now. There are 3 important things that you should notice when you're doing a plank. Number 1, your shoulders should be above your elbows. It shouldn't go forward, it shouldn't go back. The secondary thing, your body should be in a straight line. Your neck shouldn't be like this, your neck shouldn't be like this. Your body should be in a completely straight line. Your hips shouldn't sink. This is so important. ऐसे नहीं होना है या बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाना है. It should be in a straight line. Your pelvic should be slightly tilted downward. Like मैं भी extra movement करके दिखा रही हूँ, so आपको समझ में आए ऐसे. So आपका core engage हो, but आपको हल्का सा ही pelvic tilt करना है to engage your core. वो मैंने किया हुआ है and still my body is in a straight line. This is a plank movement. The first place where you'll feel a plank is in your core. आपको यहाँ पे burn effect शुरू होगा, फिर आपको quads में शुरू हो जाएगा, आपको shoulders में शुरू हो जाएगा. It's actually a full body stability exercise, but it's really important for your core control and strength. प्लैंक एक बहुत ही इंटेंशनल एक्सरसाइज है. जब आप कर रहे हो, आपको एक इंटेंशन रखना है कि मेरे कोर के मसल्स वर्क हो रहे हैं. देखने में बहुत ही सिंपल मूव है, जब तक आप ट्राई नहीं करते. ट्राई होल्डिंग इट फॉर 30 seconds. If you can do that, move to 1 minute, 2 minute. And if you can do that comfortably, then try moving on to advanced variations of plank, which will really burn your core. मेरी बेस्ट टाइमिंग प्लैंक की है 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you can beat my timings. So these are my 5 favorite exercises जो मैं हर हफ्ते एटलीस्ट 2 या 3 बार करने वाली हूँ to get my previous body back. Why don't you join along? Measure your waistline, track your food, do these exercises 2 to 3 times a week and come back after 4 weeks and let me know what is the progress. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.